Border can make your video have a special and nice look. So follow me as I guide you on how you can add a border in a video. Okay, using Microsoft ClipChamp video editor. It's free to use, so you're not paying anything. With your PC connected to the internet, open your web browser. As your browser opens, visit clipchamp.com. You can see the link here, clipchamp.com. This opens this page. So if you have an existing account with Microsoft, you can click on sign in because it's a Microsoft product, okay? Or if you don't have, click on try for free and follow the on-screen guide, which after you sign up, you sign in, okay? But here I'm signing in because I already have account on this platform. Once it opens, you'll be landed on this interface. Okay, this is the home screen of Microsoft ClipChamp. So click on create a new video. This takes us to this interface. Now, the next step you need to take is click on this section with untitled video and give your video a title. After giving your video a title, the next step you need to take is to import your video that you want to apply frame on, okay? Or if you record it using this app, you have to drag and drop because the video will be placed here. But here, I have already recorded the video and I have it in my PC. So let's go and import it. So click on import media. This is the video I want to work with. So I'll click on it and click on open. So do the same from your own end. After the importation of the video, which you can see here, the next step is to drag it and drop here. So take your cursor here on the video, press and hold on the left button of your mouse, and then drag and drop on this timeline. Once the video is dropped at this timeline, it's now time for you to start your editing, okay? So the next step is for you to apply frame on this video, okay? Then for you to do that, click on the content library. The next step is click on visuals. Now scroll down until you see a category that is about frames, okay, and borders. You can see here frames and borders. So click on it. If you have a particular frame you want to search for, just click on this. Click here and search for it. But here, let's get down to the basic frames. So let's work with this. So click on this option. It has 55 items. Good. This displays some basic frames you can apply. Okay. Any video, any frame that has a crown icon is not free to use because this is a free video editor, though you can subscribe for pro package. Okay, so but here I want us to work with free frames. Then for you to apply the frame here, so take your cursor here, press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag and drop. You can see this frame has now covered everything. You can now reduce it, okay, to match with the length of the video in this timeline. So you can play to see how it looks like. Our focus today is on how to. You can see how the frame is applied. If you want this frame you have here to be replaced by another one, take your cursor here, then drag and drop. Okay, you can see the replace option, then release the pressure on the button of your mouse. Okay, then hold on for it to be replaced. You can see we have another replacement here. But there's another type of frame I want us to use. I used to see that in some videos on YouTube. So it's a kind of making you appear in a television, okay, even as you speak. The first time I saw that, I found it difficult on how to do, but later I learned it. So let's delete this and then apply another frame, okay, which is the television, okay. Good. I want to break this to maybe some seconds, 15 or 10 seconds. Oh, it's too much. Okay. Okay. All right. So we are the 6 seconds here, 10 seconds. Okay, good. So I'll click on the video and cut it. Then I can click here and cut this as well. Okay. So I want this frame to be television frame to be applied from here to here, this clip only. Okay, so let's get back. In fact, as we have deleted the initial basic frame we have here, so let's get to media first, then get to content library. Good. Then we scroll down to the frame and borders. Okay. Then you can see here device mockups, mockup frames. This is where what we need is. So I'll click on it. So this opens this page displaying all these mockups for television frames, phone frames, and so many others. Okay, but these ones that have this crown icon, they are not free to use. They are pro, unless if you are subscribed to the pro version, okay, premium version of this package. But let's get to the one that is free. You can see this one is free. This one is free. So let's try out this and see how it looks. So I'll drag this and then drop above this video clip where I want it to be applied. I can trim it. Okay. Then I can trim this way. So take your cursor to the video on the mockup until you see the two arrows that point sideways, two-headed arrows. Okay. Then press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag until you get to where you want it to cover. Okay. Good. Once you get to that line, you can see the line, the pink line or so. I don't know much about colors. All right. So now let's play from here until we get to this place to see how this will impact. Okay. Our focus today is on how to create different file types on Microsoft OneDrive. Okay. Whether I want to create documents. Okay, I have a poor network here, but at least you can see how this impacts. Okay, you can see this is the impact of this type of frame. Okay, we applied. So let's delete this and try the one of smartphone. Okay, just click on your frame and then press the backspace key of your computer keyboard. It's gone. Okay, so I want us to try this. This one will be fine because it's free to use. So we'll drag it and drop. Then we drag this way because I want us to just apply it here. Drag this way until we get to this. Good. Now let me mute the audio so that it doesn't conflict with what I'm saying here. So let's play. Okay, it's still loading. Let's wait for it to finish loading. Okay, now that we have applied this frame, the mobile phone frame, let's play this a little and see the impact of this type of frame on the video. File types on Microsoft OneDrive. Okay. You can see my video now appears in a mobile phone. Okay, you can see how it applies there. So as I'm talking, I'll be talking from the screen of the mobile. So it's a beautiful feature. Okay, it's a beautiful feature. Now that we are done applying the border, the next step is to save our file. Okay, then for you to do that, click on export. Then select the video quality you want to use. Here I'm working with high quality. If you want 4K or you want 720p or 480p, it's okay. But here, let me work with 1080p, which is high quality. The video is now downloaded, is exported and downloaded into my PC. But depending on the type of PC you are using, it may not get downloaded automatically into your computer. Okay, so if you find that that happens to your own end, just click on this save to your computer. Okay, here it says I should choose a folder where I want it to be saved. Then I will click on, you can change the name from here. If you don't want to have made with ClipChamp attached to it, remove that and click on save. Okay, so the file will be saved into your PC. All right, it's that simple. Okay, I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Here we discuss more on technology, which cuts across so many areas, including software. Okay, so there are so many things that software does in our world of today. So learn how to use one or two from this channel by subscribing. Okay. Hit the like button for YouTube to recommend this content to more people. Please hit it before leaving. It shouldn't take anything from you. Having done that, thank you. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it really helpful? If it doesn't help and you need something extra, just drop that in the comment section. I will create time and answer you and then provide value, extra value for you. But if it helps you, it's okay. Let me know in the comment section to know if it helps, okay? Watch this video to learn everything you need to know on Microsoft ClipChamp for video editing. Thank you and see you some other time.